Today, we are going to learn common questions in English for beginners. These are the questions that English speakers use in their daily life, at home, at school, in offices, at shops, and while traveling. If you are a beginner and you feel shy or afraid to speak English, this lesson is especially made for you. After watching this video, you will feel more confident to ask simple questions in English. Let us begin with the most important question when meeting someone for the first time. What is your name? This question helps us start a conversation. For example, you can say, "What is your name?" The answer can be, "My name is Ahmed," or "I am Aisha."
This makes
You can
your
also
English
say,
sound polite
"Nice to
and
meet
friendly.
you," after this
The
question.
next very common
This
question
makes your
is,
English
"How are
sound
you?"
polite and
This
friendly.
question is used
The
as
next
a
very
greeting.
common question
When someone
is,
asks
"How
you,
are you?"
"How are you?"
This
you
question
can
is
reply,
used as
"I
a
am
greeting.
fine. Thank
When
you.
someone
I am
asks you,
good."
"How
Or,
are
"I
you?"
am doing
you can
well.
reply, "I am fine, thank you," "I am good," or "I am doing well."
Remember,
You can
English
also
is
say,
not only
"How
about
about you?"
words.
to
It
continue
is
the
also
conversation.
about manners.
Remember,
Now,
English
let's
is
learn,
not only
"Where are
about
you from?"
words, it is
This
also
question
about
is used
manners.
to ask about
Now
someone's
let's learn,
country,
where
city,
are you
or
from?
hometown.
This question
For
is used to
example,
ask
"Where
about
are you
someone's
from?"
country,
The answer
city,
can be,
or
"I am
hometown.
from Pakistan."
For example,
"I am
where
from
are you from?
Islamabad,"
The
or
answer
"I am
can be,
from a small
"I am
town."
from Pakistan," or "I am from Islamabad," or "I am from a small town." This question is very useful when you meet new people or talk online. Another very important question is, "What do you do?" This question asks about work or profession. For example, "What do you do?" The answer can be, "I am a student," or "I am a teacher," or "I work in a shop," or "I am learning English." This question helps us know more about the person we are talking to. Now let's talk about, "How old are you?" This question is used to ask someone's age. For example, "How old are you?" The answer can be, "I am 18 years old," or "I am 25. In English, we often say "years old." This question is normal with friends, but with older people, it is better to be polite. Let's move to yes or no questions, which are very easy for beginners. For example, "Do you like coffee?" The answer can be, "Yes, I do," or "No, I don't." Another example is, "Do you understand English?" You can answer, "Yes, I understand," or "No, I don't understand." These questions help beginners speak without fear. Now we will learn can questions. For example, "Can you speak English?" The answer is, "Yes, I can," or "No, I can't." Another example is, "Can you help me?" This is a polite and useful question when you need help. Using can makes your English simple and clear. Next, let's learn daily life questions. One very common question is, "What time is it?" This question is used to ask about time. The answer can be, "It is 9 o'clock," or "It is 4:15. Another common question is, "What day is today?" The answer can be, "Today is Monday." Now let's talk about place-related questions. For example, "Where do you live?" The answer can be, "I live in Lahore," or "I live near the bus stop." Another useful question is, "Where is the bathroom?" or "Where is the market?" These questions are very helpful when you are outside or traveling. Now we will learn food-related questions, because food is an easy topic for conversation. For example, "What is your favorite food?" The answer can be, "My favorite food is biryani," or "I like burgers." Another question is, "Do you like tea or coffee?" This helps you practice choice questions. Let's also learn polite questions, because politeness is very important in English speaking. For example, could you please help me? May I come in? And can you please repeat? Always remember to use please and thank you. Polite English makes a very good impression. Now, let's practice simple conversation questions. For example, are you busy? Are you free today? And what are you doing? These questions help you talk naturally in daily life. At the end, I want to tell you something very important. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every English speaker makes mistakes in the beginning. Practice these common questions every day. Speak in front of a mirror, speak with your friends, or speak to yourself. Even small practice every day will make your English strong. If you want to improve your English, keep watching, keep learning, and keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. See you in the next video.